Abram Matlayala, who was involved in O.Tambo heist and never arrested BCZ he paid Hawks, nearly killed her. The thug who did this to her is Abram Matlayala, one of the most famous criminals in Mamlodi, but obviously people would be scared to talk because he's quite a dangerous gangster, drives expensive cars and all. He's friends with the king of bling. Here's Abram Matlayala. Remember the O.Tambo heist? He was in it. He was never arrested cause he paid off the Hawks Major Crimes Unit investigators. He had a role in the death of Junior 13 Inches and Oscar Patchman. Source: https://twitter.com/ifbarywoo.